Hello guys, welcome to the tech section of Chalo Seekhte Hain, and in this series of desktop customization we show how to customize your desktops in a beautiful manner. And in this part 2 the preview is something going to be like this. And so without further ado, let's start our video. Now we have to hide our desktop icons. For that we will go to right click on it and we will go to view option and we will uncheck the desktop icons, show desktop icon, and in this taskbar we will go on properties and only check the auto hide option. Now we will open a browser and we will download the first skin Rubik, yes, and save the destination where you want to save your download. Now download the 4.4 beta release version, which is the latest of Rainmeter. You can also download the previous version that is available over here. Now we will download our wallpaper from this mega link, yes, and it would take around 2 to 3 minutes, yes. Once all your items are downloaded, open the folder where you have downloaded your files. Now close your browser. Now tap to open your wallpaper and now set it as your background, and now install the Rainmeter dock, yes. Now click next. Now browse the folder you want to install. For me it's okay. Now I'll click next, yes. Now run it, yes. Now unload all the preloaded skins that you can see in the screen, yes. Unload them all, yes. Now install this next skin. This is the Rubik that we will use in this video. Now take this bar settings, get to the right corner, any corner of the screen that you want. Now just separate every icon from each other, yes. And once they're done, now we will take our cursor on this time and we will just roll down our wheel in our mouse to decrease the size of the time. Now we will, yes, take our RAM over here and make sure all of them are in one line. And if you don't want an extra one, that is the ETDD, only you want the C drive or D drive or E drive, take it and unload the rest and make sure that all of them are in the same line. You can check whether and set according to your eyesight or your point of view. For me it's okay. Now we will take a song info a little bit downward. Now you can also select the color of your layers. The first color layer is this one, so this is the change. You can also change the second layer also by the same procedure. Now for now just keep it in there. Now select the format in which you want to listen to music and refresh this song info 1. Now you can also change the format of your clock. Now the next thing that we're going to do is click on this home button and you will direct it to your browser, and here you have to type in your city name, and after you type in you will get your city code, yes. For me it's this. Now we will copy this code, yes, and we will close our browser now and double click over here in weather code and delete this, and you can paste this even by right clicking on the mouse or by pressing this Ctrl and V button and press enter. Now take your cursor on this little dot, is actually the degree sign. Now roll up to increase its size a bit, yes. Once it's done, we are now over. Now I will play a song to show you the visualizer of our PC, yes. Now take this and place it in the center of your screen, yes. And you can also decrease this size by rolling up and down. Rolling up is the increased one and rolling down is the decreasing size, yes. And that's all for our video. If you have liked this, do give it a like, share with your friends and family. And in this section we also have many more other videos related to technical issues, and you can also find out many more chess videos and materialistic content related to education. And thanks for this video, and let's see in the next one. Till then, stay safe and bye.